It's always been a dream to record a video with an iconic structure like Eiffel Tower in the background. Dreams do come true. So today is one such day where my dream came true. So you can see a wrought iron metal lattice structure which is very much colorful, especially during the night times. It's located in Champ de Mars, Paris, France. And as you can see how beautiful the structure is, a metal lattice structure made of wrought iron. It was named after its creator who designed it, Gustav Eiffel, who designed this specific structure during Universal Exhibition way back in 1889 in France, which was organized to commemorate 100 years of French Revolution. And you know what? It's one of the most visited paid monument in the world. During its construction, it surpassed Washington Monument to become the tallest man-made structure in the world, the title which it held for more than 41 years after Chrysler Building came up in New York City way back in 1939. So some facts pertaining to Eiffel Tower. So I thought like I could go wrong or forget these facts, so I put them on notes. Height 1063 feet, around 324 meters. It has a base which is square shaped, measuring 125 meters on each side. It has 3 floors with 5 lifts and weighs more than 10,100 tons. And it has around 25 lakh rivets which are used in the entire construction process, and it has more than 18,000 iron parts. It's a very beautiful structure, and I can say my dream came true.